Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the topic Bolton's analysis. Bolton's analysis is a type of model analysis given by Bolton. So according to Bolton, he says that the total sum of the mesiodistal width of maxillary tooth and the total sum of the mesiodistal width of the mandibular tooth forms a ratio, and he says that if there is any discrepancy in this ratio and this leads to the molar occlusion. So Bolton's analysis is nothing but identifying the discrepancy in this ratio. Okay, so he has given two ratios, overall ratio and anterior ratio. For overall ratio, he has taken 12 teeth on maxilla and mandible, which is the tooth mesial to the second permanent molar on each side. So it is 17-27 on the maxilla and 37-47 on the mandible. So 12 on each arch. For anterior ratio, he has taken tooth that is mesial to the first premolar, permanent first premolar. So that is 14-24 in the maxilla and 34-44 in the mandible. So 6-6. So now we look into the overall ratio. Overall ratio is equal to the sum of mandibular 12 into 100 divided by the sum of maxillary 12, which gives a value of 91.3%. This value means that the mandibular tooth material is 91.3% of the maxillary tooth material. So according to this formula, the inference is given as if the overall ratio is less than 91.3%, which means the maxillary tooth material is in excess, that is leading to the malocclusion. So the malocclusion is due to maxillary discrepancy. If the overall ratio is greater than 91.3%, that means the mandibular tooth material is excess, which is leading to the malocclusion, that is the mandibular arch is leading to the malocclusion. So this is for overall ratio, and for anterior ratio is also the same, the sum of mandibular 6 into 100 divided by the sum of maxillary 6, which gives a value of 77.2%. This 77.2% means that the mandibular tooth material is 77.2% of the maxillary tooth material. So the inference for this ratio is the anterior ratio, if it is less than 77.2%, then the maxillary tooth material is in excess. If the anterior ratio is greater than 77.2%, then the mandibular tooth material is in excess. This is causing the malocclusion. So mandible is causing the malocclusion. So we have found that this is causing the malocclusion, but how much it is, we have to find that. So he has given formula for that also. If we have to find the maxillary tooth, the value for maxillary teeth mesiodistal width. So the formula is that the sum of mandibular 12 teeth into 100 divided by 91.3. This will be giving the maxillary 12, the value for the mesiodistal distance of our maxillary, and vice versa. So these two will go this side, and we can identify the value for the mandible. Same it goes for the anterior ratio also. So now we shall recap this Bolton's analysis. Bolton's analysis is a type of model analysis which is given by Bolton. Bolton says that the mesiodistal width of the sum of the mesiodistal width of the maxillary arch and the sum of mesiodistal width of the mandibular arch forms a ratio, and if there is any discrepancy, then it will be leading to the malocclusion. So he has given overall ratio and anterior ratio. He has taken the tooth which is mesial to the second permanent molar, that is 17-27 12 numbers in the 12 numbers in the maxilla and 37-47 12 numbers in the mandible. So for anterior he has taken the tooth which is mesial to the first permanent premolar, that is 14224, 34244, that is total of 6 in each arch. So the overall ratio, the formula is sum of mandibular 12 into 100 divided by sum of maxillary 12, and the value is 91.3%. So this is the inference. If it is less, the overall ratio is less than 91.3, then it is maxillary discrepancy. If it is the overall ratio is more than 91.3, then it is mandibular discrepancy. For anterior ratio, the formula is also same, sum of mandibular 6 into 100 divided by sum of the maxillary 6, which is equal to 77.2%. So the value is mandibular tooth material is 77.2% of the maxillary tooth material. So inference goes like anterior ratio is less than 77.2%, which is maxillary discrepancy, and anterior ratio is greater than 77.2%, mandibular discrepancy. So this is the formula used to identify the maxillary and mandibular values. So that is all for Bolton's. Thank you.